Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to connect AirPods to a PC running Windows 10. Step 1, hit start and go to setting, then devices. Make sure you got a Bluetooth toggle to the on position. Step 2, select add Bluetooth or other device at the top of the page. When you are presented with the add a device menu, select the Bluetooth option. Step 3, put your AirPods on their charging case close to the lid and then reopen, pull down the case's white setup button until you see the case LED flashing while white. You should see your AirPods appear in the device menu on your computer screen. Select them and you are good to go. Step 4, if you have automatic switching turned on, your iPods will automatically switch between Apple devices that are logged into the same iCloud account. If, for example, you are listening to music on one and get a phone call on the other, pairing your AirPods to your Windows 10 laptop stops this from happening. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you.